Hello everyone, I am Travis. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Travis Gets Creative. Today I am going to be doing a sneaky peek unboxing of an image from Dainty Diamond Art that is going to be released on April 17th. At least that's the current tentative date. If there are any changes, I'll of course post an update on my community tab and in the description box below, but currently it's set for April 17th. So it comes in this nice bag. For those that don't know, Dainty Diamond Art is based in the UK. It's run by Cindy Michelle over at Diamond Painting Fanatics. That's right. And for those that live in the UK, she is able to get the canvases to her, and then she does a little extra stuff for customers that are local to her. But in order to save us shipping costs, when we order from outside the United Kingdom, we get them directly from the supplier in China. So it comes like this. Get this plastic off here. And then it comes with this protective wrap filled with air. That just keeps it nice and safe during shipping. So it comes with these drills. I love these colors. It looks like the canvas has some rubber bands on there. That's just more added protection to keep it stable during the shipping process, so I like that idea. So on the bottom, you get the Diamond Painting Fanatics website, and then you get what looks to be a legend on the bottom left. I'll just roll it open for you. There is a legend. You do get a thumbnail of the image, but I'm not going to show that to you yet. This is a square canvas, by the way. I know I recently unboxed a round diamond painting, but this is square, and you can tell by the drill field here, which I'll give you a closer look of soon. And then you also get this styrofoam noodle, and that keeps it stable during shipping as well. So this is a 60 by 80 canvas, and of course you get the Dainty Diamond Art logo there in the top center. You also get a second legend on the top right. So there's this hooded figure here riding on a horse. And it has all these beautiful backgrounds. It has all these beautiful colors in the background, I should say. The canvas is felt backed, and of course it has this serged scalloped edge, so that just protects it from fraying over time. Let me break out the drills here. Sorry, my table wasn't completely clean, so you might get a little fuzz transfer from that, but nothing major. It does come with a toolkit, which are optional, so you can request not to receive one. But it comes with a standard pen with a single placer on one end and a 9-placer on the other, a white boat, 2 pads of wax, a purple squishy, and some metal tweezers. So it's a standard toolkit, but you get everything you need to diamond paint. So if this is a gift for someone, or if you are buying for yourself and you want to go on vacation with it, you'll have everything you need. Well, here comes the fun plastic bit. I actually like this part of the video, but if you don't, please stand by. I'll try to hurry. Probably didn't go as fast as I could have, but that's just life sometimes. Alright, so it does come with an inventory sheet. You get an image of the canvas there. I'll bring you up a little closer so you can see that a little better. And then you also get the canvas item description. That's more for the supplier than for us, but You also get the sizing, so 60 by 80. As I said, it's square, so the symbol should appear in squares on the sheet. This has 40 colors and 4 AB drills. So one of the things I like about this sheet is that you get the bag number, you also get the symbol, you get the color, but then you get the weight and quantity, as well as the quantity of each bag. So if for some reason you happen to lose a bag, you know exactly how many should be in that bag if you need to order a replacement. So it's nice to have on hand. So this kit is called Solemn Has Ghoul. It's by the artist NasGhoul. I'll put all of the relevant links in the description box below so you can find the artist. So I just looked down here and I noticed that there are 4 bags of 939s. So you see these 4 here? Those are all dark blue and they are all 939s. I don't think I can lift it that way, so. See? 939s. They are so deep that they almost look black, but they are a deep blue. There are ABs. So for those of you that are new to diamond painting, AB stands for Aurora Borealis. That just means that they have a special coating on these drills, and it makes them a lot more sparkly than their standard counterparts. So you can kind of see they have that brightness to them. Whoops. They have that beautiful brightness to them. And one of the cool things about these is that when you put them down next to the standard drills, they aren't as sparkly, but they are sparkly, just not as much as ABs. What will happen is the light will bounce off the AB drills and hit on the standard drills, so it creates kind of a visual dynamic change as you look at it, depending on the lighting and the angle you're looking at it and everything, which I think is pretty cool. So yeah, it's not a sticker sheet, but what you can do is run this through one of the Xyron sticker makers, or you can just label based on the symbols, numbers, and letters, which I think is good. You also get a total number bag count. So if I were to count these, I should have 44 in there. I'm not going to do that right now just for video purposes, but yeah, it's cool that they provide that information so that you can double check. I really mucked this up, as some people might say. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to zoom out so you can get a more complete look at it. I'm sorry if there's any glare. I'm just kind of limited to my space, so ignore anything extra you see in the way. That's as far as I can get it to go. But you can see the body of the horse, the rider's, what I believe to be their leg. This is probably part of their cloak here. You know, I might actually end up using this canvas for Phoenix Fantasy. I was going to use the Druid, but I think I want to save that for something else. I don't have anything specific in mind, but this might be a wonderful canvas. It definitely gives me fantasy/horror vibes, so. Look at this cute horse. Part of the rendering is that you aren't going to be able to see all the detail, but once the drills are down, you'll be able to see much better detail. So don't be deceived by how it looks on the rendering. I think it looks wonderful. I'm really excited to work on this. Phoenix Fantasy starts in May, so yeah, I think I'm going to work on this for Phoenix Fantasy. This is probably going to be a pretty confetti heavy canvas, but for someone like me that loves confetti, I think that's great. Even in this background here, you get some G's, some W's, and then some N's there at the bottom. So it's going to be sections where you can use your multi-placer, especially in the background. But when you get towards more finer detail, that's when you're going to see more confetti. But all of the symbols look very legible. I really like when they have the white symbols against the dark background, so that makes them easy to read. Let me adjust the focus here. Yeah, everything's going to be very easy to work on. And that's really a big hallmark of a premium canvas company, is if you're able to read the symbols. Alright, so yeah, I'm very happy with this canvas. It looks high quality, it feels high quality, the drills look really good. As I said, once this becomes available, I will put that information in the description below, so you will be able to follow that link and go get it for yourself. Definitely check back and make sure to see all the wonderful canvas offerings from licensed artists that you have available, or that they have available. I'm just noticing all these blacks and mixed with the 939s. Yeah, I'm very happy with this canvas. Thank you so much, Cindy, for choosing me to be one of your sneaky peekers, or one of the people that get to give people a sneak peek of what is on the way to the Dainty Diamond Art shop. I hope I did it justice. I am very excited about this canvas, as well as the other one I purchased from you. But yeah, I'm definitely going to be working on this one for Phoenix Fantasy. If you have any questions about this canvas or anything else, please leave them in the description box below. I would appreciate it if you would like this video and subscribe if you aren't currently subscribed. If you are a subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for your continued support. Yeah, that's it. Without further ado, I will close this video. Thank you so much. I hope you all have a wonderful day where you are. Do something nice for yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye.